Hello everybody, my name is Darren Ezer and today we will be learning how to solve exponential equations. So if it's an exponential equation with the same base, like this, you can just set the exponents equal to each other and just solve for x. Simple as that. But if it has a different base, you have to follow steps. The first step is to log both sides, then use the power law of log, then use the triple root property, and then you move the variables to one side, then you common factor out the variable, then you isolate the variable. I made a mnemonic for this, which is lazy penguins don't make cold igloos. So let's now solve a real life application word problem. So Mr. Penguin is trying to figure out what time the amount of cookies and the amount of cupcakes will be equal to each other. The equation for cookies is 3 to the power of x minus 1, and the equation for cupcakes is 2 to the power of x. So we set those two equal to each other, and first we need to log both sides and use the power law of log. What happens is that the exponents go in front, if you remember that. And third is to distribute the properties, as you can see here, x multiplied by log 3 and x multiplied by minus 1. Then you just move the variables to one side, that's why the signs change. Then you can see you can common factor out the x, so you do that. Then now you can isolate x by dividing log 3 by log 3 minus log 2. And for this one, you can simplify it more, like so. And now you can just type in the calculator, and it's going to give you 2.71 hours. It would take approximately 2.71 hours of baking to make the numbers of cookies equal to the amount of cupcakes, Mr. Penguin. Real-world applications on solving exponential equations. Exponential equations like these are used in real life to compare two things that grow at different exponential rates. For example, in biology, scientists study two bacteria populations that start growing at different times and increase at different rates so that they can analyze when both populations reach the same time to know how fast an infection might spread or how well medicine slows down the bacteria's population. This type of exponential comparison is also useful in finance, such as comparing two investment plans with different growth rates to decide which option is more beneficial over the same time period. Thank you for watching.